case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1989, the Supreme Court of the United States heard Public Citizen v. United States Department of Justice, a case centered around the interpretation of statutory terms with broad meanings. Public Citizen, a public interest lobbying group, sued the President and the Department of Justice after being barred from attending meetings held by the American Bar Association's ABA Standing Committee on the Federal Judiciary. The group claimed that the committee's refusal to grant access violated the Federal Advisory Committee Act, FASA. The ABA committee, consisting of 14 members, traditionally evaluated potential nominees for federal judgeships and made recommendations to the President. However, it did not allow public attendance at meetings and did not recommend appointments to the federal bench on its own initiative. The term utilizes within FASA, which governed committees that the President consulted for counsel, was ambiguous and not explicitly defined. To determine its meaning, the court reviewed the statute's purpose and history, finding that FASA aimed to increase transparency and accountability of advisory committees, but was not intended to encompass all committees. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that FASA did not apply to the President's consultations with the ABA committee, as applying the act in this specific advisory relationship would lead to an absurd outcome. The decision helped establish an interpretation of general statutory terms that avoids absurd results, recognizing that legislation should not be presumed to intend such consequences.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.